All right, we got a little Wolf Pup Limited right here. This is the reason why you buy a Limited. You get all glass doors, LED lighting, solid steps, outdoor kitchen, outdoor TV mount. Look at this, outdoor loading door. Look at this, so nice, all glass. Ooh, you get spare tire rack that folds down. You can put some gear on there. But look how beautiful. Storage underneath the bed. Look at the cabinetry. This is a beautiful trailer. Clean. Solar. Look at this. All digital. Bluetooth, solar. Nice kitchen. Look at this. Full size fridge. And a nice bathroom shower.